Well, guys, do you remember us going to Pennsylvania and picking up this 20-foot ridiculous roller? Today we're going to use this roller crimper in our cereal rye, and we have one field that's very mature and ready to go, so we're going to head over there and get started before dark. When I was getting in the Magnum, I noticed it's got a flat tire, so we got to grab an air chuck and get that thing filled up real quick. And we wait for a while anyways, until the tire gets full. I am going to have to try and dismount this tire, go get some tire tools, and hopefully figure out what's going on. I ended up complete change of tractors. I'm in the Kubota right now with the roller crimper behind. It was able to carry it better than we thought. The Magnum has a tire issue, and we were not going to be able to get it fixed right away. So I am out here right now. I've already got quite a bit roller crimped, just going along at 7 miles an hour, 20 feet at a time through the field. We're making some good progress. There are thunderstorms all around, but I'm hoping to be able to keep on going as long as possible, but I might have to stop because of storms. I've been picking up hay all day and making hay the last couple days, so I am dog tired, but I should be able to stay awake and keep moving. I got rained out the other night working on cereal rye. We got 2 3/4 inches overnight, and I am unfortunately unable to do that. Now today I'm going to be working in the shop here, changing some tires out and stuff. Sorry if it's a little bit noisy. We got a air conditioner here in the shop. Kind of loud sometimes. I got to go pull the wheels off of our grader box because that had a blowout on the tire, so I need to replace both those to new tires. So I'm gonna get started. And I hooked the 14 up to the box scraper and used the hydraulics to pick up the tires. So now I can just take the impact and unbolt those. You think she's got another few thousand miles left on her? I think so. I now need to get those tires that are in the back of the truck changed out on the, actually get the wheels switched into the new tires, so then we can get the grader box back movable again. So I just decided to stop working on changing the tires. I'm gonna go out and start roller crimping again because it's fit enough. I'm going to be using the Kubota for now, and hopefully I can get some acres covered. I've been running this Kubota for quite a while this afternoon now on the roller crimper, but the Kubota sucks in from 3 sides of the hood, and it was getting a lot of basically the tractor's getting congested. It was just getting a lot of pollen buildup on everything from the cereal rye, and this tractor's hard to keep the pollen from going in because it sucks from 3 sides. Whereas on our Magnum, it just all sucks from the front, so we can throw a cloth or something over that to catch the pollen. And so we're gonna switch out to our Magnum now that the tire's been fixed on that. We're just using the Kubota in the meantime, so I gotta get it unhooked real quick. Well, we are rolling through the field in the Magnum here, and everything's going good. We have a t-shirt over the grill to keep the pollen out of this thing, since it's just got a single grill instead of 3 grills like the Kubota. Got the auto steer on, which is nice, and hopefully we can get quite a bit done this evening. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Cereal rye is not crimping like it should. Normally it's a little bit more green and snaps, but for some reason this year it is not. It's more yellow. We have a cousin though who went and was going to harvest some cereal rye, so they put just a little bit of nitrogen on it, and then he decided he was going to plant it instead. So he went in and planted it and used a crimper and snapped all the rye flat. So depending how the rye looks from year to year, it might actually be beneficial to put just a little bit of nitrogen on it to make it easier to snap. As the dew set in and the pollen got sticky and started sticking all over the radiator cloth on this thing, so we're gonna have to call it a night. It also is a little bit muddy where I was at, and this tractor is a lot more front end heavy than the Kubota, and it just wasn't quite working. So we're gonna start on the other field tomorrow, and hopefully when we're done with the other field we can go back and finish the one we were in. So I will see y'all in the morning. Well guys, I am back out here in the 95-acre field across from John's. It is the next day. It's actually Saturday morning, and I am hopefully gonna get this field and a little bit more done today. The next field's gonna be kind of wet, so we're not really sure, but I at least want to get this field done today. I went the whole way around the field. There were some spots that were stickier than we thought, and we're not going to be able to continue on doing that today, so I'm going to go get some other stuff done. Hopefully Dad can work on crimping rye tomorrow afternoon, maybe, because today and tomorrow are going to be good drying days, so hopefully we can get the ground dried out a little bit so we can drive across it, because that 3 inches of rain really put a hurting on progress. I am out here this morning, and I think right now sister is running the Magnum with the roller crimper. So after working for a while, we finally came up with a way to keep the pollen out of the radiator on the tractor. We cut out a t-shirt square and are using that as a mask for the pollen, and then we blow that off. And then I also put masking tape on the sides here to keep the rye heads from scratching the paint on the tractor. We left the top open a little bit because it's not sucking pollen in up there, so it looks kind of interesting, but well, it works. So unfortunately, that is all you're gonna get to see of us roller crimping. She's got 30 more acres there, and then we've got another 50 acres over there. That's gonna be done a different day because we had to replant the beans in that field, and right now they're just coming out of the ground. And if we rolled it now and broke the beans off, they would not regrow. So we gotta wait until they're out of the ground, and then we'll go ahead and roller crimp that. With that being said, guys, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all next time.